click the subscribe button down below and click the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So today's video is going to be all about the Milani Cosmetics and Salt and Pepa collab. And we'll be discussing the Hot, Cool, and Vicious palette, as well as the lip kits, Shoop and Push It. And I'm really enjoying this. It's really personal and really well packaged because you have different play on words like certified platinum, Push It, the debut, just different things that connect with Salt and Pepa and the whole dynamic of their career. And I thought that was really personal. I love when you can see collabs where it's very detailed, very personal, and about that person that's collabing with that specific brand. So that is what you are going to get. And it's really cool because it looks like a record from back in the day. So it gives you that like late 80s, 90s vibe. So I went in to use the 1986 shade, and I'm just using my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill J832 brush. Everything that I am talking about in this video will be in the description box below, by the way. But I'm just applying that shadow all over my crease as well as my mobile lid to work as a transition color. So are you a Salt and Pepa fan like me and so many others? If you don't know who they are, go check them out. They're like all about women empowerment, and they have been just in the rap game for for decades, and you will see why. But I am now going back into the same palette, and I'm using the Beauty and the Beat, and I'm actually applying it using my JH33, and I'm just pretty much applying this more in my crease. It's going over transition, but the transition shade, because I applied it first, is peekabooing through, so it's going to give you that gradient effect. And as you can see, I'm pretty much staying in that same perimeter, from my outer corner to my crease and middle of the crease. And on top of my mobile lid, I am just applying, I believe it's called Stupid Fresh, using my JH41 brush from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, and applying that as so to add a light difference from light to dark. And I am loving that shade as well. And then I went back in to pretty much fix any imperfections by putting those same shadows that I had before on the outer corner. And now I'm going to deepen the outer corner using that. Let's see, what color is that? I believe it's All Right is the color. And I went in with my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm just staying on the outer corner of my eye to deepen it up even more. And I'm really loving these shadows. Like, Milani, Salt and Pepa did their thing. Like, these are very blendable shadows. It wasn't really falling out of shadow, and I feel like they glide on top of each other and with each other with ease. So that's a plus for me, A plus. And now I'm going in to use that shadow that I used earlier on my mobile lid. I'm just going to use it as an eyebrow highlight. And then I'm going in to actually add an oomph because I'm like, something's missing. So I went in to add these two shimmers. Again, everything in the description box, because I'm be honest, it's about just finding out what the shadows are called. I believe this is the Showstopper, and I believe the other one, well, the middle one, of course, is Certified Platinum. And so I applied that on top of the mobile lid color that I had before, which was Stupid Fresh. And now I am putting on some Ardell lashes. Again, everything will be in the description box below. I did my foundation or face products in general off camera. If you're interested in learning some of the face products that I did use, definitely be looking out for my next video, because I'm going to show you a concealer that I've been trying and I like it. So definitely stay tuned. But yes, I am just showing you the shadows that I'm putting on my bottom lash line, and I'm really just using that outer corner color, the brown that I used from earlier, as well as going in to use those same highlighter colors in my tear ducts area to complete the eye look as so. But we got to get to the lip kit, yes. And the first lip kit that I will be showing you is the Shoop. And I thought that was really cool because Shoop is actually one of their banging singles that they have out there. And again, I'm going to show you that it's awesome to get both lip kits because then you can have this as a collector item you can keep forever and connect them both together. One is salt and one is pepper. I love that. And what I also love about these lip kits is that they don't just come with just a lipstick. They also come with a lip liner. So you'll have the perfect lip liner to match with the lipstick. And that is the lip liner and lipstick swatched on the back of my hand that I'm showing you before I apply it on my lips, as you are seeing now. And I wanted you to see what it looked like if you applied it. And honestly, oh, these lip liners are like butter, which is what you want. You want something that's going to glide on easily and effortlessly, not drying, but very moist and just perfecto. And then I'm applying my lipstick on top, and I am loving this. And as you can see, what I love too about these lip kits is that you have something that can be every day and something that can be a little more bold, like this push it and push it. Okay, sorry. Got into the song. So this is also a popular song by Salt and Pepa, and this is the perfect title and name for red. I feel it's very sensual. It's everything a woman wants and needs, and yes, I'm here for it. But I'm applying the red lip liner on first, and then I will apply the red lipstick on next. And I am in love. This is so beautiful, by the way. So I am partnered with Astrology Trends, which is a zodiac and astrology fashion-based company that is really, really great. And I actually have a discount code from them. And it's Anya10. Direct link will be in the description box below. But this is the dope Zodiac t-shirt as well as the Zodiac letter necklace. So check it out below and use my Anya10 discount code. Get percentage off.